Hey fellow YouTubers, this is N0AGI, another quick update slash welding project. So I had purchased this bandsaw. It's a Taiwanese made, I believe, one of the original models that a lot of the newer bandsaws like the Harbor Freight, Sharp Fox, and similar newer models have adopted. I got this for a pretty good deal from a local used tool shop, and I think I paid $129 for this bandsaw. Works really well, and I had recently changed the blade on it, and I aligned it so that it cuts straight angles without any issues there, so that's pretty good. And what I'm trying to do right now is to build another table for it. This table is pretty beat up, as you can tell. This particular leg is messed up, and there's some other issues on the other side. And more importantly, I think the table itself is at a very low set, so it's kind of hard even for me. I'm not very tall, but even for me, this is fairly short at a low set. So I just went and got some angled iron and just started to building out this table for this bandsaw. So I finished last night. I had finished up the top side of it, welded it together. This is my very first project, so there are several issues that I can point out that are issues and I need to learn from. But with that said, I have definitely enjoying building it and learning from it. And from my previous videos, you probably saw my Hobart 140. I had taken that in because it was way too small for even a 1/4 inch welding. The Hobart 140 didn't really cut it, so I had turned that in, and I went and bought a MIG 250 from Eastwood. This thing works really well, and I'm only running 110 volt. This is capable of running on 220 and automatically switching it to 220, so it works really well. And this project is being built using this particular welder, so really enjoy it. I think comparably to other similar products in the market, Eastwood product is in fact I would say a 1-to-1 match, but much reasonably priced. So if you guys are looking out or in the market for a MIG welder, or any welder really, I think Eastwood carries several options there, but I went and landed on MIG 250. So anyway, so I need to then finish off. I have 2 more legs. I need to weld them together. I have some issues with the level, the angle, and so forth, so I need to figure out how to kind of fix that. I have some, I think it's kind of you can actually tell from this angle here, there's some not at the right angle, so I need to figure that out as to how to fix it, etc. So anyways, thought I'd do a quick short video, and I'm hoping to complete this project today. I'll probably leverage these wheels as is, and then just weld them on my the newer table, but I'm not sure. I haven't quite measured it or whether it'll fit or not. So here's another quick update on the bandsaw table. Just finished off putting in a few brackets on the footer and one on the other side. This one is on the front facing, and that would be the motor facing because the wheels will be put on that end of the table. And this bracket here is mostly for securing the table if in case I need to secure it to another footing or whatever be the case, just for future purposes. But overall it turned out okay. There's a little bit of leveling issue which I think I can shim it up and see if I can fix it that way. But overall it turned out okay. What's left is to put on a few couple of wheels here in the back on the motor end, and that should call it project complete. So thanks for watching.